everyone, how are you and good evening. Now in previous class we learned about the present perfect tense and you all are very familiar of the formula of the simple present tense, present continuous as well as present perfect tense. Okay, now today I am going to teach you present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Now students, in this tense the action is started in the past. Okay, action जो है वो past में हमारे start हो चुकी है and it is still continue in the present. अभी भी वो action present में चालू है. तो if we want to show that action in the present, then we are using present perfect continuous tense. Okay, and especially we are using the words like for, since. Okay, ऐसे words हम use करते हैं to show the action continue in the present. Now let's see the formula of present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus, here we will use modal auxiliary verb has or have, and with it we will use been. What we will use? Been. And then we will write here root form with ing. Okay, जो verb होता है उसका first form, root form or base form. Okay, we can say main verb plus ing, and then what we will use as the object. Now see students, here subject you know very well, has or have modal auxiliary verb. Okay, that we learn in previous class already. Here been. Okay, then main verb with ing, then object. Now let's see the examples of this tense. Here you, then what will come with you? Has or have? Have will come. As I told to you previous class, if he, she, it or any single person name is there, then we will use has. And I, you, we, they, plural subject is there, then we will use have. So you have. What will come? Been. Then verb with ing. Root form with ing. Working. Here work, it is the verb, okay, and with ing means working. Since 2015, you have been working since 2015. Another example I am giving to you. Keta has. Here some single person name is there, then what we will use? Has. Keta has been cooking for 2 hours. In these two sentences we know that you or Keta, okay, they both activity, otherwise they both action is started in the past. उनकी action start past में start हुई है and then also it is continue in the present. Present में भी अभी उनकी action continue है. So here you have been 2015, ये जो है जहाँ पे वर्क कर रहे हैं वो 2015 से वर्क कर रहे हैं। हियर केटा हैज बीन कुकिंग फॉर 2 hours, 2 hours से वो कुकिंग कर रही है, खाना बना रही है। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, these sentences are affirmative sentences, otherwise we can say positive sentences. Okay, now I am going to tell you formula of the negative sentences. Just you have to add on here not. Okay, after the modal auxiliary verb has or have, has or have के बाद क्या यूज करेंगे हम? Not. Then we will make negative sentence. So this both sentence we will change into negative. See here, first number sentence, you, then have, after have and has, what we will add? Not. You have not, then been working since 2015. You have not been working since 2015. Okay, just we have add on only not after the modal auxiliary verb has or have के बाद क्या ऐड किया हमने? not. Now let's see the second sentence. Keta has not, Keta has not been cooking for 2 hours. Here, Keta has, then we will add not, been cooking for 2 hours. Okay, so it is very easy. Now we will turn into an interrogative. Okay, in same sentence हम किसमें turn करेंगे? Interrogative. And we have to change the interrogative sentence. First of all we will put have or has. Okay, then we will put subject. Let's see. Interrogative. Here, have will come first. Okay, means have or has. Then subject. What is the subject here? You. Have you been working since 2015? Now at last what we will put? Question mark. Have you been working since 2015? Now let's change another sentence. Here has will come first. Has, then subject is Keta. Has Keta been cooking for 2 hours? Okay students, listen. In present perfect continuous tense, as I told you before that, the action is started in the past and still it is continued in the present. Then we are using present perfect continuous tense. Okay, and formula of this tense: subject plus has, have, been, main verb, otherwise root form of the verb, base form of the verb, whatever we can say. Then with ing, जो main verb है उसके साथ क्या यूज करेंगे हम? ing, then object. Here, if negative sentence we want to make, then after the has, have, okay, we will add on not. Subject has, have plus not, being, main verb with ing, then object. Now interrogative sentence is there. Then first of all we will write has and have, then subject, being, in this tense our action is completely over. हमारी जो action है वो completely over हो गई है. Then we are showing into simple past tense. Okay, and let's see the formula of the simple past tense. Here subject plus past form of the verb of the past form of the main verb plus object. Subject plus past form of the main verb, okay, then object. So let's see the examples. Here I am giving one example to you. She ate pizza. She ate pizza. Okay, she ate pizza last night, yesterday, okay, last month, whatever. She ate pizza. Here she, it is the object. Ate, it is the past form of the verb. Okay, means main जो verb है वो क्या है? Eat है. And ate, it is the second form of the verb, otherwise past form of the verb. Then pizza, it is the object. Now let's change this sentence into negative. ये जो sentence हमें negative में turn करना है, then what we will do? We will use did not. क्या यूज करेंगे? Did not. तो first of all we will write subject. क्या लिखेंगे? Subject. Then did not, otherwise didn't. Didn't, it is the short form of did not. Okay. Then and we are using here did. Then we will write main verb form. क्या लिखेंगे? Main verb form and then object. So let's turn this sentence into negative. See here, she did not. Here did is there, then we will use main verb. Eat pizza. She did not eat pizza. Now same sentence we will change into interrogative. Okay, interrogative. इस question में अगर हमें turn करना है, then we will write this did first. did हम कब लिखेंगे? पहले लिखेंगे. Interrogative. Did. Then what will come? Subject. Did she eat? Same rules will come here. We are writing here did. So here we will write main verb. Did she eat pizza? At last question mark. Okay. Simple thing in this. If affirmative sentence is there, then write down subject plus past form of the verb, then object. Negative sentence, you are turning the sentence into negative. Then remember one thing, subject plus did not, otherwise didn't. Okay. Then main verb, then object. Interrogative sentence, did, subject, main verb, object, question mark. Okay, this is clear. Now we will change these sentences into passive voice. ये जो sentence है अब हम किसमें turn करेंगे? Passive voice में. Passive voice. Here, as I told you before that we are turning the sentence into passive voice, then we have to use was and verb with the object. Okay, because as I told to you, object will come first. Object सबसे पहले आएगा. Then let's find out the object. She ate pizza. What is the object here? Pizza. We will write pizza first. Okay, now pizza was. Pizza were नहीं आएगा. Pizza was. Then here we will write third form of the verb. Pizza was eaten. Eat, that is the main verb form. At, past form. Eaten, that is the past participle. Pizza was eaten by, here what is there? She. Okay, then we will change the pronoun her. Pizza was eaten by her. Okay, now same sentence we will change into negative. यदि सेंटेंस अगर हमें नेगेटिव में चेंज करना है पैसिव वॉइस में ही, then it should be like this. Pizza was not eaten by her. Now this sentence is in the negative in passive voice. Now let's change this same sentence into interrogative. Okay, this is negative sentence, interrogative sentence. So what we will write first? Was. Okay, was or were, then object. Pizza was eaten by her. Was pizza eaten by her? Like this sentence will be there. Now let's see one more example, so it will be very clear. Meena wrote a story. Meena wrote a story. So, in negative, Meena did not, otherwise didn't. Did not. Here right will come because did is here. Write a story. Let's turn it to interrogative. Did Meena write a story? Okay. Now same sentence we will change into passive voice, negative as well as interrogative and affirmative. सबसे पहले ये जो है मीना wrote a story, okay, वो हम passive voice में change करते हैं. It should be like this. Here story, it is the object. So a story was written by, who is that? Meena. Let's change it to negative. A story was not written by Meena. Now same sentence it will change into interrogative. So what will come? This was will come first. Was a story. Was a story. What will come now? Written by Meena. Then question mark. Okay. So students, present perfect continuous tense and as well as simple past tense we have clear. Okay. Then if you have any query, then you ask to me. Thank you very much.